Today we'll look at how to share a link to courses in Xcelerator Academy. We'll begin by logging in to Xcelerator Academy and finding the course that we'd like to add to a list, and we'll click on Add to QuickList. Here I'll create a new QuickList called Recommended Courses. And if we have other courses from other learning paths, we can go to those other learning paths and select the additional courses. Here I'll select some other courses from Processes and Solutions, and we'll go for the course on Superelements, Geometry Optimization, and Simcenter Nastran Topology Optimization. Now once we've added all of those courses to our quick list, we'll go to quick lists and say Manage Quick Lists. Then we can say Share. And from here we have the option to copy the link to the clipboard. We can then paste it into an email and share the list of courses.